Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Petteri Salonen. My company is Finrenes. We are in business of biofuels and fertilizers. We have created a lucrative business solution for bioenergy to support the energy transition. We aim to provide affordable and green biofuels for everybody. About future traffic fuels, we believe that the small vehicles will be powered by electricity and large vehicles will be using biomethane, both clean energy. The area where we are working, we are following needs and challenges. We need to produce biofuels from inedible resources, mainly from lignocellulose. Secondly, we need to have 24/7 electricity to charge our vehicles whenever we want. And third, we need fertilizers, and we need to have an effective way to capture carbon from the atmosphere and store it. For that, we have developed a solution. There are 4 steps. The first step is to collect waste biomass from agriculture and forestry, mainly lignocellulose. It can be straw, bark, wood cover, chips. Next step is to produce biogas. We use our proprietary version of pretreatment to break down the lignocellulose so that the bacteria can produce biogas, woody biomass. That is commercially effective technology for producing biogas from woody biomass. Third, the digestate that comes from the biogas process, which is from the biomass that is not turned into biogas, we make pellets out of. And those pellets can be used either for replacing fossil coal in electricity creation, or they can be used as a fertilizer. The great thing about these pellets is that they are producing more than half of carbon. So when you're using those as a fertilizers, you are actually bringing carbon back to the ground, thus acting as a carbon sink. Global markets. The amount of lignocellulose in the world is huge. Most of the lignocellulose is not in efficient use. So it will provide us a huge amount of renewable energy. Our team has a very long and comprehensive experience on technology, science, international business and installations. We have been awarded with several international awards, and we are now looking to bring our technology to the world. Thank you.